will be problematic for those with physical ailments. Snow will cling to wires and trees, which could cause numerous power outages. Roads will become impassable due to increasing snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour at times in heavier bands. Winds north 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Visibilities 1/4 mile or less at times. Temperatures in the lower to mid-20s. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow is expected. Strong winds are also possible. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Avoid travel if at all possible. If you absolutely must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Snowfall accumulation forecast maps in addition to experimental probabilistic snowfall information for the lead taste event are available online at www.weather.gov/price/winter. This is NOAA Weather Radio.